Hey, your vagus nerve is a nerve that connects your brain to other parts of your body. It's responsible for a whole lot that goes on inside of you. And one of the things it's responsible for is regulating your nervous system and helping you to relax. So when you start to feel emotional and maybe you're getting shaky, maybe you've got anxiety, one of the things that you can do to help your nervous system regulate is taking deep breaths. So breathe with me. We're going to take a deep breath in. And now let it out slowly. Can you feel your body already starting to relax, even if you weren't in an upregulated state or you weren't feeling tense and emotional? Just doing these deep breaths all the way in, holding it and letting it out slowly can just help you feel even more relaxed and at peace and present. Let's do it one more time. Deep breath in and hold it. Now let it out. Good job learning how to regulate your own nervous system. You've got this.